It's not PTSD, it's not a mental illness, it's something deeper, quieter, yet devastating. It's called moral injury, and it happens when doing what's right feels utterly wrong. Moral injury is the psychological wound that comes from betraying your own values, not by accident, but by duty. It happens when you're forced to act against your conscience, or when you witness something that shatters your sense of right and wrong, and you can't unsee it. You were just doing your job, but your soul knows something broke. Soldiers, doctors, nurses, whistleblowers, emergency workers, even ordinary people caught in impossible decisions. A soldier may follow orders, but carry the guilt of what those orders meant. A nurse may have to deny care because the system said so. The injury isn't physical, it's moral. It lives where the soul touches the world. It feels like shame, guilt, rage, a hollow ache in your chest where certainty used to be. People with moral injury often feel broken, not because they failed, but because they were asked to act against who they are. And the worst part, they can't talk about it, because they think no one will understand. Moral injury isn't fear-based like PTSD, it's meaning-based. It's about identity, conscience, belief. PTSD says, I'm afraid. Moral injury says, I've done something I can't live with. Even if it wasn't really your choice, you still carry it like a cross. Healing moral injury isn't about medication, it's about meaning. It's about listening without judgment, letting someone speak the unspeakable and still be loved. It's about community, ritual, restoration, a chance to reclaim your voice and to be reminded you are more than the worst moment of your life. Moral injury teaches us that the soul has limits, that duty and goodness sometimes clash, and when they do, it's the most human thing to feel pain. But pain doesn't mean you're weak, it means you still care. And caring, even when it hurts, is an act of quiet courage. If you've ever been wounded by doing what was expected of you and lost a piece of yourself in the process, you're not alone. There's a name for what you carry, and there's hope for healing. It starts with understanding.